So today we're making African fabric rose flower. So you get two pieces of fabric and you put them together, as you can see. Put them together and you go in and out. You sew in and out with your thread and your needle. And when you're done, you can see you pull and you scrunch it up. And that's what you get. Scrunch up your fabric you've sewn. So this is what you get. And now I'm using a skewer as the stem. So you go to the beginning of your fabric, as you can see. So I put glue on the skewer and put it inside. So now we'll have the skewer inside the fabric, and now you fold. As you fold, you're wrapping the fabric you scrunched up around the skewer. Okay, so that's what we have. So you wrap it around. Keep wrapping the fabric around the skewer. Okay, keep wrapping it. Okay. As you wrap, you pull. Okay. And this is what you have. This is what we have. So you're going to use your thread and stitch this on. And at the end of the day, this is what you have. A beautiful African print rose flower. So the skewer, you could wrap the skewer with a piece of African fabric, put some glue on it, some glue on the skewer, and you wrap this all around the skewer. All around the skewer. And that's what you have. A beautiful piece of a beautiful rose flower made from African print. Just try it and you will love the outcome. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more interesting videos like this. Bye guys. Thank you.